We finished casting on 48 stitches. Now it's time to work the cuff. We will start with 2 knit, 2 purl all the way around. We will do 2 rounds like that. Then we will offset. Where we had knit, we will have purl. Where we had purl, we will have knit. We will do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 rounds for the cuff. Let's begin. Carefully pull out one of the needles. Now, I call these rounds because I'm used to calling rounds for the socks. But really, we're going to be doing rows because we are only using 2 needles. That's the pattern stitch we're working. So the first foundation row, we're going to do 2 knit, 2 purl. To review, a knit stitch is when you hold the working yarn in the back of your work. You go from the front or through the middle if your stitch is not twisted, if it's coming to you open. You grab the yarn, pull it to the front. Purl stitch, your working yarn is in the front. You come from the back or through the middle if that's how your stitch is coming to you and is not twisted. You grab the yarn in the front, pull it backwards, the last 2 stitches are purl. We're going to turn our work. From this side, we're going to work the stitches as they come. And you will see that again, they're going to come to you with 2 knit at the front because all purl stitches on the back side are looking like knit stitches. And all knit stitches on the back side will look like purl stitches. So we don't change them, we work them as they come to us. That way we're going to have 2 rows where our knits and purls are lined up. You can see here how they're stacking on top of each other. That's the second row finished. Third and fourth row, shift. So I'm going to start with 2 purl and have 2 knit above the previous purls. I slip the first stitch and then purl. Now I knit 2, purl 2, even though it looks like knit. So now I'm shifting over and I'm getting this little checkerboard effect, like a chessboard. You also don't want to twist the stitches. You can't go through the middle for your purls over knits because they're going to twist. So you have to go from the back. Same thing for the knit. You don't want to go through the middle or it will twist the stitch. Go from the front. We end with 2 knit instead of 2 purl. We turn and we work the 4th row now. From the back side, as I said earlier, we work the stitches as they come to us. We have finished 4 rows. We need 14 in total. That means 7 sets of 2 rows. You already finished 2 sets of 2 rows. Row number 5, you will start with knit stitches. 2 knit, 2 purl. Remember always to slip the first stitch. This is where we are in our project. We finished the first 2 rows, then the second 2 rows, 2, 4. Now you're gonna do this on your own. Keep alternating the pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14 rows in total. When you have finished 14 rows in this pattern stitch, go to the next video and we will work on this transition between the cuff and the leg part of the sock. You can see here row 5, I'm alternating. Where I had knit, now I have purl. Row 6 I will work as they come. Row 7 I will switch the order again to keep alternating. When row 14 is done, I will see you in the next video of this series.